When I stepped away from the camera, I went and I finished off all of her hair, as you can see. Now, there are quite a few designs in here. So I had to go to the internet, to Pinterest really, to see if I could find some more designs, and I did. So this one right here are, let's see. So yeah, I went a small thing, a larger thing, and then even a larger one. And I filled in the middle. So same thing over here. 1, 2, and this one will right there. So that is pretty easy. Now this one over here are triangles. So the first triangle is small, and that gets filled in. And then the second triangle, and the third triangle. So I will be doing that design over here. And some of the lines just disappear into, like, you know, the other lines. So now this one is like a teardrop. And then I did a line down the middle, and then I just scratched in some other lines to fill it in. Now you may have some favorite line work that you like, so use it. I still have to find 1, 2, 3, 4 more designs. I thought of another design for over here, and they shall be going to try to make squares. A square inside a square. A square inside a square. I think I will fill in the middle little square. Now I have 1, 2, 3 more designs to come up with. Let me see. Did I just do wavy lines? I don't think so. Sometimes you just get desperate. I'm just going to do wavy lines over here. So now I'm down to 2 more designs. So the next design is going to be, and they're not even at all. This surface is pretty bumpy. Well, that was fast. I just have one more design. For the last design, I am getting my ruler, and remember what I said. I don't know, what did I say? Like this, Annie. So I'm just going to make some straight lines. I'm going to make, alright, so that'll be the fat line, or the wide line. And then this, I'll make a thin line. And then a wider line. And a thinner line. Make sure when you use a ruler that you're not going in the direction so that your ruler goes over your pen mark, because it can smudge. Too much time invested to have smudging. Okay. That is very good. And another thing you'll want to do is go back and thicken up some of your lines. Pay attention to what line belongs to what design. She looks really good in my monitor. Things always look better in my monitor. I don't know why. By looking at the monitor, I can tell what needs to be done. So we need to do some shading over here. And some shading over here and over here. We have to do eyelashes. Eyelashes. And the eyelashes, and I always mess this up. The eyelashes come from this line right there. I don't know how many times I have done eyelashes and I have them starting like over here. And that's a big not right. So I'm outlining with the fine point. And I will decide afterwards. I might leave it thin because this is a very, very little spot to get in there with this wider marker. And I have to do something in here. That's the background. And I just might add some color. I think I'll just go with some color. Maybe I'll go with some green. I want to pick up something that I have over here. So maybe just a light forest green. Does that make sense? A light forest green. I don't think so. I am going to finish those up and then I'll be back.